In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share OneNote across devices quickly and easily, so you can send your notes to other people or access them from different devices without any confusion. This is a simple process, but it's really useful if you're collaborating on a project, sharing meeting notes, or just want to make sure your notebook is available wherever you log in. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open OneNote on your device. Once OneNote is open, look at the top menu and click on File. This will take you to the main options area, where you can manage your notebook settings and sharing options. After that, click on Share. This is the section where OneNote gives you the tools to send your notebook to other people or generate a shareable link. Now you'll see two main ways to share. The first option is to type in the email address of the person you want to send it to. This is the best choice if you want to share directly with one specific person or a small group, because OneNote can send them an invitation straight away. Just enter the email address carefully and make sure it is correct before sending. The second option is to copy the link and share it with others. This is a great choice if you want to send the notebook through chat, email, or any other platform. Once you copy the link, you can paste it anywhere you want, and the other person can open it from there. Depending on your permissions, they may be able to view or edit the notes. So always double-check the sharing settings before you send it out. And that's really all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you can share OneNote across devices and make your notes available wherever you need them. Whether you're working from a laptop, tablet, or phone, sharing your notebook this way makes it much easier to stay organized and collaborate with others. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.